Guys, Andy here again, just playing about with the heater in the garage. You'll know if you've got one of these, the annoying noise, the ticking noise coming from the fuel pump in the back of the machine. I mean, it's not a massive problem if you have got it in the workshop or garage, but for those of you that have got one maybe in the home, or particularly in a camper van or tent, and you're trying to get some sleep at night, you could do without this. So I've just received in the post what's supposed to be an ultra quiet fuel pump, so I'm just going to get it fitted and I'll let you know how we get on. So here we go. Should be just a 5-minute job. That's the new one. I'm going to put that straight in there to stop the diesel leaking out the tank. Take the pipes off. And then that's just held in like a rubber mounting. There you go. The new one in. Ah, here we go. Bend those over slightly. That's it. The clip back in there. There we go. Job done. Not too messy. So we'll get that started and see if it is any quieter. So we'll just get that started. See how we get on. Well, there you go. It's actually worked. There's still a very slight pulsing coming from it. Absolutely nothing. I didn't think it was going to work, but by the time it's kind of stabilised, filled up with diesel, I put the lid back on. There's like no noise coming from that. So all you can hear is the roar of the motor, and yeah, I'd say that's worth doing, guys. I'll put a link to the pump in the description. I think it was about 15 to 20 pounds, but a good little mod, definitely worth doing. And the bonus, I've got the spare pump just in case I need it for an emergency, but I don't think I'd be putting the noisy one back in. That's much better. Yeah, if you look at some of my other videos, you'll actually hear it. The same heater, you'll hear it so much more noisy than this. Well, I've done it so you don't have to. I've spent my money so you don't necessarily have to go and waste your money on something that didn't work. But I'd say this has worked. Recommend doing it. Please give me a like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thanks very much.